Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're installing our LED reverse light bulbs for 14 to 18 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks and 15 to 19 2500 and 3500 trucks. Let's get into it.
Are you looking to match the factory lighting of your truck with your Boost Auto products? Now you can with our 921 T15 style LED bulbs. Significantly brighter than your factory halogen or incandescent bulbs, our ultra bright LED bulbs fit a multitude of factory locations and are a great upgrade for better visibility. Don't let your dim, outdated OEM lights ruin the overall look of your build. Upgrade to Boost Auto's 921 LED bulbs for a serious upgrade in clarity and performance today. Just a quick note before we get into the install. The following procedure is for 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks and 2015 to 2019 2500 and 3500 trucks with factory incandescent reverse lights. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for all the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
In order to remove the reverse light bulb, we need to remove this tail light assembly. So to start that off, we need to lower the tailgate. Now that the tailgate's down, we've exposed these two T15 torque screws that we need to remove. Now that the screws are removed, we can pull back on the housing to remove it. There will be two tabs that are going to detach as we pull it back. One up here, one down here, just be conscious of that. Now that we have our taillight assembly detached, we're going to remove this middle bulb socket. In order to do that, you need to turn it counterclockwise. Once you've done that, pull back on it to remove the socket from the taillight housing. Now that we see our bulb, we can just pull back on it to remove it, just like that. Now we've got our Boost Auto LED reverse light bulb in hand. We're going to insert it the same way we removed the other bulb. Either way is fine. Once that's done, we can reinsert the socket into the housing. Just be mindful of the tabs. Line them up so it seats correctly as you push it in. And once it's seated all the way, turn it clockwise to lock it in place. As we go to reinstall our taillight housing, make sure that these tabs line up with the two holes on the vehicle in order for it to correctly be inserted. Now we're ready to reinstall our two T15 torque screws. Now repeat those same steps on the other reverse light bulb. That about wraps up for the installation on this truck. If you're a fan of these bulbs, head on over to our website, boostauto.com, to check out all we have to offer for your build today, such as these S-Series cab lights or these Ion Series illuminated door handles. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.